Ratios, difference between two parts. In this video, we will learn how to solve a math problem where a ratio changes. Let's see an example. The ratio of boys to girls in a school chess club is 5:3. 4 male and 9 female coaches also help with the club. The ratio of males to females in the club, including the coaches, is 4:3. How many girls are in the chess club? In this question, the ratio of boys to girls is given. Then, the ratio is changed to include the coaches. To solve this type of question, you need to write the ratios as equations and then solve them. Let's call the number of boys in the chess club X and the number of girls Y. Since the problem tells us the ratio of boys to girls is 5:3, we can write X to Y equals 5:3. This can also be written as a fraction. X over Y equals 5/3. By cross-multiplying, we get 3x equals 5y. By rearranging, we get 3x minus 5y equals 0. This is the first equation. Now, let's consider the new ratio after adding the coaches. After adding 4 male and 9 female coaches, the ratio changes to 4:3. X plus 4 to Y plus 9 equals 4:3. Now, to derive the equations, you need to rewrite the ratio as fractions. X plus 4 over Y plus 9 equals 4/3. By cross-multiplying we get 3 times X plus 4 equals 4 times Y plus 9. By expanding the brackets we get 3x plus 12 equals 4y plus 36. By rearranging the equation, we get 3x minus 4y equals 36 minus 12, which equals 24. This is the second equation. Now, we have two equations and we need to solve them to find the number of girls, Y, in the chess club. By subtracting the first equation from the second, we get open brackets 3x minus 4y close brackets minus open brackets 3x minus 5y close brackets equals 24 minus 0. 3x minus 4y minus 3x plus 5y equals 24 minus 0. The 3x terms cancel out, and we get minus 4y plus 5y equals 24. Minus 4y plus 5y equals y, and therefore y equals 24. Y equals 24. So, there are 24 girls in the chess club.